DLSU to Lasal Green Hills?
Saktong-sakto guys, Lasal to Lasal. Tapos naka-green na kami.
Sakto, sister school. Let's see what's going on there.
Tara, kamustahin natin sila. Animal Lasal. Let's go!
Okay guys, so since magde-December na ulit, meron na tayong Christmas tree handa for this year's Christmas. So, encounter what?
Animal Lasal guys, Animal Lasal.
Time check, 9:30. 2 hours left and 8 kilometers, 8.7.
Yung daanan namin now is yung papunta sa atin yung...
Ito ba yan sa limang katay?
Okay, counter 1 guys.
Okay, next.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year guys. Okay guys.
3.
Huwag mo yung zoom.
5 nights. 5. Sunod-sunod yung combo. Up.
Guys, New Year's na. Dapat nililinis na yung mga tayo. Guys, bawal daw umihi.
Dark blue counter 1.
Alam na ba, maling gate yan. Lasal tayo ngayon. Ano ba? Pang green lang tubig. Animal Lasal guys. Animal Lasal. Ano ito? Oh my god.
What's iPhone that?
iPhone 1.
Type of rating 1.
Nangyari sa kanya?
Kailangan niya pa niya magpa-dentist guys.
Pelican or Dove counter guys.
Swimming pool counter. So, bawal tayo na
Dito na naman tayo. Walang problem.
sidewalk rating, I'm not applicable. Mahal kong Pilipinas, mahal ko ba ako? What the hell is this? Green counter number 3.
Stop, look, and listen. Listen, look, listen, number. Green counter number 4.
Elementary school counter. University counter 1.
Guys, ready na ba kayo tumakbo? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Di ba dapat? Ay po. Di ba? Buong Pilipinas pa na. Time check 10:04 tapos 1 hour and 30 minutes left. Grabe si Jerry's may barbershop. Saan sila dati ko?
Parang sipon ay nababasa sa pao.
Pawis na siya, tiyan may likod niya.
Guys, naturally, like, I'm very sweaty kasi, like, sobrang sweaty ako. Animal Lasal, guys!
University counter. Ano quote of the year mo, pre?
Guys, since New Year, the New Year, new me, guys.
Sinabi ko rin yung Happy New Year.